time to be serious with your life, not a time to be desperate for marriage. It's two things. To be serious with your life and to be desperate for marriage. Some ladies can do anything just to be married, just to be called Mrs. I often say it. If you take your husband out, who are you? If you take your Mrs. out, who are you? So if you are 28, 29, 30, it's time to be serious with your life, not with even marriage, especially if the relationship is abusive. I also tell ladies, once you are getting to 28, 29, even before you get there, be serious with God. Put God's business first. And don't let any other guy be calling you for tea or coffee. Some guys are very comfortable calling you out. Oh, let's just gist. The conversation is always interesting with you. Oh, hanging out with you is fun. Don't be that victim this year. So coming back to our topic, karma is the beach. I always think that this thing is far. Sometimes it's not even far. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Esther. If you're seeing my face for the first time, this is Esther's Chronicles TV. I'm a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. Yes. And if you're wondering what this space is all about, it's all about content creation. We talk about everything good, everything that can take you to the next level. Motivation, stars, so many things. So if you're just seeing my face for the first time, kindly join this family and do well to click the notification bell so when next I drop a video, you'll be the first one to see it. Thank you. So today I want to talk about karma. Yes, this thing called karma. This thing called karma. And if you don't know what karma is, it's simply something that gets to happen to you as a result of what you have done before. Please watch to the end because I have a question at the end of this video. This thing called karma. I've often heard people say karma is the bitch. Sorry, the B word. Karma will always come. And there's a golden rule that says, do unto others as you want them to do unto you. So, if you don't want people to pay you evil, can you please not do evil to people? If you want people to give you money this year, learn to give people money no matter how little. If you want people to give you dresses, learn to give people. Do unto others what you want them to do unto you. If you want people to talk good in your comment section, learn to talk good on other people's comment section, especially content creators section. It's a different thing if it's a saga. Because I've seen video where people are cooking and some people will just come there and talk negatively about that cooking, knowing fully well that it's not even easy to record a cooking video. It's not even easy to do this video I'm doing because some people think just to face camera and talk is the easiest thing to do. No, especially if you have to face the camera with your face, you have to put on your makeup, put effort into coming into camera. It's not easy. So this year, 2023, let's learn to do good. Do it. Do unto others. You know how you can also help yourself. Sometimes if you want to do something to other people, just imagine that somebody did that to you. If you want to break a guy's heart, it's New Year. All the girls that are in a relationship that they are not supposed to be, get out of there. This is not part of the video. Get out of there. If you're 28, you're 29, you are 30, it's a time to be serious with your life, not a time to be desperate for marriage. It's two things. To be serious with your life and to be desperate for marriage. Some ladies can do anything just to be married, just to be called Mrs. I often say it. If you take your husband out, who are you? If you take your Mrs. out, who are you? So if you are 28, 29, 30, it's time to be serious with your life, not with even marriage, especially if the relationship is abusive. I also tell ladies, once you are getting to 28, 29, even before you get there, be serious with God. Put God's business first. and don't let any other guy be calling you for tea or coffee. Some guys are very comfortable calling you out. Oh, let's just gist. The conversation is always interesting with you. Oh, hanging out with you is fun. Don't be that victim this year. So coming back to our topic, karma is the bitch. I always think that this thing is far. Sometimes it's not even far. It's not far at all. It's not far. So when people wrong you or they do things, I'll give excuses for them. People have asked me sometimes, you know the verse? Nobody say I know the verse. Nobody say things don't get to me. It's just that it's a decision that I have made long time ago. That in it all, I'll still thank God. In it all, I'll still praise, learn the lesson, and move. This thing called karma. Before you press that button, before you drop that message, before you make that phone call, before you do it, think about the after effects. People don't know why I'm laughing. I'm laughing for a reason, but I don't want to give the information. I just thought of it and I said, no, let me come and remind my followers that karma is real. And if you think it's far, it's no longer far. I saw a video, maybe I'll put the woman's picture here. Not a video, it's a picture of a woman. And people in diaspora, let's stop this, especially we blacks. It's not giving us a good name. If you need help, if you need benefits, get that help, get the benefits, and get out of that scheme. Leave it for other people that are coming that genuinely needs it. Because I saw that one post during the festive period where a beautiful, gallant woman was, I think what was written on it was that she was living in Ireland. She left Ireland to go to London, and she's still leaving London to go back to Ireland just to collect benefits. Just to collect. And if you're in Nigeria, I say, what's benefit? Benefits or social schemes are schemes that have been put together by the Western government to help people that are in need, to help single mothers, to help people in domestic violence relationship, or to even help people that their income are not enough. This Western government did this. It's not that they don't know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. It's just that what I see about the Western world is that they are very humanitarian. They feel your pain, and when they realize that you are cheating them, they come after you. And that was what happened. That was the nemesis that caught up with that woman. When I saw it, it was so sad. But on a second thought, she got it. Because if you have moved from a country, why are you going back to another country to take benefits? That's karma. Karma will always come. It will always come. So, before this is a new week, I just want to remind you that karma is real. It's real. See, when they say you don't know what you're doing, you cannot talk. You are not. You can talk, but choose not to talk. Sometimes, let God fight the battle. Sometimes, be the Shaggy. Sometimes, don't say it wasn't me, like Shaggy in the song. It wasn't me. Sometimes, okay, yeah, it was me. I'm sorry. It is far. Karma will always speak. So, guys, please, if you have watched this video to this spot, like this video. And thank you for all my returning subscribers for always coming. Subscribe to this channel if you have not. And I'll see you all in my next video. It's your girl, Esther. Remember, karma. This thing called karma may not come for you. But if you don't want it to come for you, don't go dishing out what you don't want people to dish out to you. If you want joy, bring joy to the table. If you want peace, bring peace to the table. Now, my question, I said, please watch to the end. Let me know if you can answer this question. Now, sometimes some people have sowed the good seed, but they are reaping negative seed. Why? Like when we were going, my mother would say, what you did to me, your children will do it to you. The question is, did my mother did that thing to her own mother? Because this thing called karma. But in it all, let's be good and be the light in the room. I love you all. Bye-bye. Da 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 da. I bring you laughter from the comfort of your home.